डीएमएस के यूनिट्स डीएमएस का एक टॉपिक स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, दैट इज़ फंक्शन डिपेंडेंसी. व्हाट इज़ फंक्शन डिपेंडेंसी? अ फंक्शन डिपेंडेंसी डिनोटेड बाय एक्स inferred from y, or it is called as x implied by y, between two sets of attributes x and y that are subset of relation R, specifies a constant on the possible tuples of the relation that can form a relation state R of R. The constant is that for any two tuples t1 and t2, two tuples of the relation T1 and T2 in R. R is a state R of R that have the property if tuple T1 and T2 both have the same value x, then they must also have tuple T1 and T2, their y value also must be same. So we will consider one example over in this to find out in which attribute function dependency hold and in which attributes function dependency do not hold. So we have this relation R which is having attributes A, B, C, D, and each attributes having a tuples. So we have to find out the function dependency hold or not. If you want to check for the A implies B for A attribute and B attribute, we found out that T1 and T2, there are two tuples in first tuples and second tuples. The value of A attributes is A1 and A1, but in B we have different values. For A1 we have B1, and for this A1 we have B2. So it's said that A implies B function dependency does not hold. We can also check for A implies C. Here we have A1, A2, A3. So A1 we have C1, for A1 we have C2. Then also the function dependency does not hold. But for C implies A, if we check in the reverse, we have the different attributes. C1 A1 holds the function dependency, C2 A1 holds the function dependency, because it's there x and y is x is different. Then we have C2, but the function dependency holds its difference. So this also function dependency does not hold. We can check also for combining A, B and check it for C. If we combined A and B, so A1, B1, different attributes, we have the value C1. A1, B2, one tuple, we have different value C2. We have A2, B2, we have C2 value. A3, B3, and we have C4. Then here the function dependency hold. If we check for C implies D, C1 for D1, C2 for D2, C2 D3, C4 D3. So this here also the function dependency does not hold. So we have to check for each and every attribute, and we have to unite the two attributes to check whether the function dependency hold or not. We can combine the function dependency of C and D and check for A. We can check that C1 D1, A1 attribute, C2 A2, A1. See, they having the different attributes having the values same. The function dependency does not hold over there. So hope this one more example of this is we can check for B implies C, the function dependency do hold or not. For B1, C1, B2, C2, B2, C2, we can see that T1x and T2x same, and we have T1y and T2y same values. So here the function dependency hold. For A1, B1 we have the value D1. For A1, B2 we have the value D2. For A2, B2 we have the value D3. For A3, B3 we have the value D3. So here the function dependency hold. Again some more example is CD implies B. For CD, C1, D1 we have the value B1. C2, D2 we have the value B2. C2, D3 we have the value B2. C4, D3 we have the value B3. So here the function dependency hold. For what the function dependency does not hold is A implies B, A implies C, C implies A, C implies D, CD implies A, and many more function dependency can also be hold or not. So you can check it like this way further for all possible combination. Hope this topic is being clear to you all. Thank you.